Hello. Today, I will tell and show you how to get early access to the BOHO-style. First step, visit our website. Second step, click the Upload a Floor Plan button. Third step, choose the layout and upload it. Fourth step, select the suitable package for you. 1 includes 2D and 3D plans. 2 includes 2D/3D plans plus 360. 3 includes 2D/3D plans plus 360 and the option to add your logo to the layout. Fifth step, after that, you can click on any style. Important, after entering the promo code BOHO, you will receive the layout in the new BOHO style. Sixth step, the promo code provides a 35% discount. Seventh step, enter your email. Next step, check the box, opposite the company or personal. Ninth step, proceed to payment, fill in the fields and complete the transaction. 10th step, after that, you will receive an order confirmation on your email. 11th step, if you have any questions, you can reply to this email. Last step, once the layout is done, you will receive the result by email. The promotion is valid until December 21st. If you have any questions, we will be happy to answer them in the comments. New style for everyone. See you in the next video.